So what's camping without a campfire, right? So today, thought I'd show you my favorite pop-up fire pit. This is the Fireside Outdoors pop-up fire pit. Absolutely love this thing. I'm gonna show you why. So first and foremost, I bought this with my own money. This isn't sponsored in any way. I just like the product. So why would you use a pop-up fire pit? Well, first and foremost, leave no trace. This really helps when you camp in some dispersed areas and stuff like we do quite often, where there may not be a fire pit there, or the fire pit there is in a bad location, or it's just nasty, which happens a lot of the times. So this was our solution to a problem we didn't know we had. So how does this thing work? Comes in this handy dandy carrying bag, zipper on bottom. Comes in 2 pieces. The frame itself, rest of the frame, as you can probably tell, are a well-used screen. We've been using this thing for a full season. Still holding up great, no rust, no holes. As long as you do it right, you won't tear this up. So setup goes a little something like this. It's like a big lawn chair. Hold the sides, press on the bottom, out folds the frame. Next up, your outside frame pieces. They just slip on the top. Last but not least, screen slips over the 4 posts, you're ready to have a fire. Got my helper back here behind me. Now there are a few things to be noted about this fire pit. One, the screen on the bottom does allow heat out, so unless you put a heat shield under it, which they do sell, I didn't get it, I'd like to actually give it a shot. It will kill the grass underneath wherever it's burning. Most places we camp have dirt around the areas we're going to use it anyway, so that's not a big deal. Number 2, be aware that a lot of campgrounds only allow fires in designated fire pits. Some allow these, some don't. Better check with where you're camping to be sure first. Other than that, this thing has been a joy to use. I really like when you're having a fire how it brings the heat up, so it keeps your core warm rather than just cooking your calves. We've cooked on it multiple times. The key to keeping this in good shape is only burn wood in it. Don't light it with plastic, don't use accelerants, stuff like that, because it will overheat the mesh and burn holes in it. As long as you only use wood in it, been a great fire pit. Hope this helps you out. If you got any questions, be sure and ask down below. If you find this kind of stuff helpful, check out a few of my other videos if you would. And I would love it if this has been helpful to you to hit that subscribe button. So thank you. We'll catch you next time.